Here I have OUKITEL WP23, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time like this. Okay, so when this kind of menu appears, using volume up you can navigate, and volume down you can select, and you should select the first option, recovery mode. And after that you will end up in this so-called recovery mode. So here you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.